Bhavan Prasad. Thank you for joining this interview today.
Yeah, good morning, and thanks for inviting me to this interview. Yeah, okay.
To start with interview, could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, okay. So I am Banu Prasad, and I am doing as a software engineering. So having 3.5 years of experience, and currently working on a production system, and it's an automation based role. So I have experience in backend developments, mainly using Java and cloud technologies like AWS. Over the time, I working on the improving system by automating the repetitive tasks, building an intelligent solution for handling large volume of incidents. So yeah, this is all about me.
You're a software engineer, right? Why
Yeah,
do you
yes.
choose software engineer as your career, Bhavan Prasad?
Yeah, okay. So software engineering solves the problem that has directly impact on the real world. So in real world, so that's why I chose software engineering. So I love solving the problems. Yeah, and in this field, we have a consistently evolving technologies. We have a lots of learning is there. So that's why I chosen this role.
Okay.
Yeah,
What qualifications needed for this job and what skills
yeah.
are important for this
Qualification.
job?
Yeah, okay. Oh, typically a degree in the computer science or IT field or any related fields like triple E, EC, any bachelor's degree is enough to be a software engineer. So, however, more than formal education, strong fundamentals in the programming and data structures and problem solving are essential. And certifications in the cloud technologies can adds a value to the your degree.
Am
Yeah,
I currently
that's
a,
enough for the role.
am I currently a second year student?
Continue.
What
Hmm.
programming language do I learn?
So it's not about the programming language. Whichever the programming language you are comfortable, you can choose. Like if you want to go with Java, you can start learning from the day one and continue consistently improve yourself. It's about your will, whichever you want to choose. Everything is same.
If I choose a Python,
Yeah,
it would be a great choice or not? If I
yeah. Of course, it will be a great choice. Yeah, of course, it will be a great choice. Choosing a Python, you can directly driven to the AI ML things, and it's an evolving AI, AI area. So you can
okay,
directly
అయితే
be a
సిగ్నల్
part
లేదు.
of AI development, automations, and these all the areas. So
Stop.
it's a
Coming to you, Mr. Prasad, what is your daily work involved for this your job career?
Okay, so my daily work involves implementing the change request from the business team and monitoring the production system, analyzing and resolving the incidents, and working on the automation to reduce the manual efforts to resolve those incidents. I also collaborate with the different teams consistently, analyze the logs using tools like Splunk and CloudWatch, and sometimes develop a scripts or services to improve system efficiency. This is the work I do in my at work.
Mr. Prasad, what challenges do you face as your choose your job career?
So challenges are there many, but currently we are facing a one major challenge is handling the high volume of the incidents. So in incidents are setting nothing but the user requests. So if there were any queries, any issues with the system, if there are any modifications they want, there's people are solving manually, trying to do by click. So our task is to automate that process programmatically using the systems like a cloud and scripting, terraforms and all. Yeah, this is the problem we are solving, especially when issues are not clearly defined, since many problems are described differently by users. Identifying similar patterns can be difficult. Another challenge is balancing immediate issue resolution with long-term automation and implementation. And this process involves AI, ML, and we are consistently learning. So this is a major challenge currently my team facing.
Okay, great, great. And coming to the what advice would you give to the students for the future upcoming, like AI is our booming long ways, and so many students are afraid for of AI. What what's
So
are
okay.
for this?
So as of now, we are a student. So you should focus on the building strong fundamentals and practice coding regularly. Don't just rely on the theory part, and try to build small projects and understand the real world concepts. We should be curious and stay consistent, and don't be afraid to try. First to try and then fail. It's okay to fail. Also learn how system works. So if you know this is how system works, you can directly get into the system and solve the problems. Yeah,
Okay, great, Bond Pressure.
and
Thank you.
that will make you industry ready.
You.
Okay.
Thank you for your advice and valuable insights. Thank you.